go, Rude. Here's some dancing for you. I got a new wave and her name is May. I don't really care what the doctors say. When she gets out, gonna take her away. 2 tickets to Spain, said this Friday. I let her in my world, this special girl. Crimson red lips, blonde hair with curls. Smile between her cheeks that'll look so sweet. Plus those demons in her head that'll make me weak. There's 22 ways that she'll make me pay. In these 22 days, she's put away. 22 years, shed too many good tears over too many people turning only dead fears. None about regrets and the day we met. To another empty bottle come tears and sweat. Of all the different things that'll make her wet. It's a heart inside she can't protect now. Take my hand. You'll never find another white light. Take my hand. You'll never find another white light. She likes Shane's Addiction and a Tribe Called Quest. Pervert in mind, she always thinks of sex. You wouldn't know from the way she looks that she doesn't think you've only read in books. Be happy as hell when she's out of that cell. Texting on the phone instead of letters in the mail. Got a picture on my wall, a paint in my balls, and her name on my lips when my seatbelt fall. Falling in love, yes I'm falling for you. But all these feelings inside enough to see this through. Well, my world collapsed when you take that relapse. And it's back to the clinic when your mind attacks. Falling in love while you're falling apart. When you build back up, will you break my heart? From the springtime showers to the snow does fall. As long as it takes for those demons to fall. Take my hand. You'll never find another white light. Take my hand. You'll never find another white light. My love got out and I'm the less I found out. Till I seen her out and she ignored my shouts. Speed talent, you get calls to my porcelain doll. Frozen in my head with the look I saw. What happened to the days that we would be? Dreaming of the days that we would see. Her love come alive and we would keep. In our hearts, in our minds, only we would speak. Now if every magic island, I'll swim to your shore. From the Isle of Heartache to the coast of on shore. I spill my fresh water to your ocean of salt. When I try to purify, you pollute my thoughts. Shouldn't have tried to help, should have helped myself. Not trying too hard, put my love on stealth. Now I'm locked up in a cell of my own. No hots and a cot, just a new Wade Jones. Take my hand. You'll never find another white light. Take my hand. You'll never find another white light. Take my hand. You'll never find another white light. Give it up for Glenn Danzig, everybody. All right, this next one's called Art of Giving Up. It's the name of a mixtape I released last summer. If you want it, just get at me, man.